friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making chocolate chess pie. For this easy recipe, we need a pie crust, eggs, cocoa powder, sugar, butter, evaporated milk, and vanilla. So very simple ingredients. And before making this recipe, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So the first thing is to do is to put the pie crust in a 9-inch pie dish. So first I'm going to spray the pie dish with a nonstick cooking spray, so the crust doesn't stick to it. And now let's unroll the pie crust into the dish. And press it into the pie dish. And next I'm going to make the filling. So for the filling, I'm going to crack 2 eggs in a bowl. And whisk the eggs. And next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and 1 cup of sugar, and mix until combined. And next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So I already melted in the microwave before making the video. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And 2/3 of a cup of evaporated milk. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix until combined. So now we prepared the filling, and let's just pour it in a pie crust. And now let's put it in the oven, preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's bake it. Now the chocolate chess pie has been baking for 45 minutes and it's ready. Let's take a look. Look at that. It looks amazing. Now if you want to make sure it's cooked through, you can put a toothpick in the filling and make sure it comes out clean. I already checked that, so it's cooked. But if yours is not cooked, just leave it for a little bit longer. Look at this pie. Perfect. And now let's have it cool down. So have it cool for about at least like 10-15 minutes, and then we'll slice it and try it. Now the chocolate chess pie has cooled down a little bit for 10 minutes, and let's try it. So let me cut a slice. I'm so excited about trying it. It looks so good. Perfect. Look at this slice. So you can see here the crust and the filling. Everything is perfectly baked. Looks so delicious. It tastes amazing. Really, it tastes as good as it looks, and it was so easy to make. You're going to love this chocolate chess pie. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!